Well, hey everyone, it's Lisa. How are you? Checking in for the Use and Care chat today, Wednesday, over here on the East Coast. Just going to spend a few minutes with you, highlight a few items. It was so beautiful outside today that I decided to do this outside. So who's checking in today? Where are you checking in from? I'm checking in from Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. It is gorgeous out today. How's everybody doing? Can you guys give me a thumbs up if you can hear me? Because I have my AirPods in and I've been changing. I was just on air in the kitchen with Mary. I'm using different earbuds now. Want to make sure that they're working. So somebody give me a thumbs up if you can hear me, please. Thank you. I appreciate that. How are you guys doing today? Everybody having a good day? It is 10 a.m. What time is it? Thank you, Kelly. What time is it where you guys are? Are you East Coast, West Coast? Cheryl's here. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Christy. Yeah, we're doing a Wednesday Use and Care chat. Sorry, there's like bugs out here now. Pam is here. Thank you for the thumbs up, you guys. Sometimes you feel like when you're out on an island, when you're not sure if people can hear you. You guys have that too? Like if you're working from home still? Anyway, it is the most beautiful day. We had an amazing show in the kitchen with Mary this morning. 3 items. We had our silicone coasters, which we sold out of 2 colors. Mei Ching is here, and Carol's here, and Helen's here, and Nancy's here, Angelina. Good morning, Christy. We also had our glass bottles, and we had our drying mats. So I don't know if you guys know, but everything, all Temptations are up to 20% off over on QVC, but it ends, I think it's today, end of day today, or the 15th, which is, I believe, tomorrow. Anyway, I think the pricing goes away at the end of the day. That's what Mary said, all the sale prices. So, Donna, we're working on getting more, believe me. So, the big story is head on over to QVC, and if you have been eyeing some things or if you've been looking for some amazing values, absolutely check it out because there's going to be some awesome values over there. Red Old World, that is, got it. Well, you know what, you guys, we're getting ready for Temptations Days, which is going to be August 20th until September 20th. So it's a month long. And we are going to have some amazing values, brand new items. We're going to have today's special value. I think I'm allowed to say that, not sure, but I just did, at the very end. So we have so much great stuff going on. Tara's away for a few weeks, so I'm going to be holding down the fort. And just so you guys know, we're going to be doing some fun giveaways while she's gone. You have to guess where in the world she is, because she is traveling. So check out our Facebook page tonight, and you guys can give your guess, and the winner will receive a set of free beach towels. We have some fun beach towels. Did you guys know that? So, all right, we're here for Use and Care, so let's talk about Use and Care. So I had this item on this Saturday in the kitchen with Mary. And Rosina was filling in for Mary, but I just wanted to highlight it and show it to you because I know so many of you love our summer shells pattern, and we get lots of questions about it. So, by the way, these set of 2 mugs are on sale for under $20, and it's a choice of the summer shells or the patriotic. These are available over at QVC.com. Let's talk about the summer shells first, and let me know if you have any questions as I go along. So this is what we call our flip and sip mugs. It's each one, even though you get a set of 2, each one is 2 pieces. So it's actually 4 pieces. So you get the 16-ounce mug, and the reason we call it a flip and sip is because of this. Of course, it's a mug that you can drink from, and then you can put that little lid right on top. And that's going to keep, first of all, check it out, how cute it is. So that's going to keep all your hot beverages hotter longer, all your cold beverages colder longer, but it's also a coaster. There's the flip part. You can flip it right under, right? Or you can flip it on top. It's pretty cool. So it can be a coaster so that if you don't want your hot drinks, on your tablecloths or on your nice tables or anything like that, your counters, that's totally fine. And then, by the way, you can use this separately. So if you're a tea drinker and you want to do things like put your scone or your lemon or your tea bag over here or your spoon, that's perfect. Beach bags, Heidi. We were actually talking about that for next year. You read our minds, Heidi, for sure. But I just wanted to talk about summer shells a little bit because I get so many questions like, what does it mean when something is embossed? So embossed means this beautiful raised pattern. Like, do you see how it feels like you could literally pick that shell up? See how it's raised off of the side there? That's a great profile shot. Let me get out of it. Do you see what I mean? See how it comes up out of the stoneware? This is really, truly amazing and so gorgeous. All of the detail, every single shell, like if I run my fingers along there, you can literally hear it. So for those of you who are wondering, like when you hear the word embossed in stoneware, that's what it means. It means that literally you can see it. As I turn it, you can kind of see how each shell comes off of the stoneware. Even the little accents right there. There's about 20 Pantone colors in here. There's 8 different shells. I love the fact that we have all different colorations, but they're all the colors of summer. I love that. Oh, good morning, Jody. Jody says these are cute. I think they're cute too, you guys. Beautiful handle right there. So embossing all along the top, then that beautiful like checkerboard pattern at the bottom with that soft yellow hint right there. And then you have the pinks and the taupes and the browns and the greens and the yellows and all the shades and the peaches in between. Okay, so that's what embossed means. Then when we talk about flat painting, on the lidded, on the coaster, on the flip part, this is solid. So that means hand painted. So this is not embossed. We didn't want to emboss this for you because if you wanted to put this on top of here and this was embossed, it would be wonky, right? So we leave it flat painted. But when we talk about flat painting, that's what we mean. The fact that right there, absolutely gorgeous. You still get that beautiful starfish right there in that beautiful star shape. But just wanted to kind of explain all of the design elements when Tara designs something. So look how stunning that is. Really, this is unbelievable. To think that you get a set of 2 for under $20, 2 of these, but the sale price goes away at the end of the day. So head on over to QVC, Jody, I know, right to the beach when you see that. So you either get, the choice of is this, 2 of the summer shell. So you get 2 mugs and you get 2 of the coordinating lids, or wait, I got it. This is like so cute. Look at this, patriotic. Look how cute this is. So when we say the word classic, here's what we mean. It means that we take our old world pattern. These are our 2 most popular patterns. It's right there. And then you see the little hint of floral lace right there. But we brought that to life in our firework pattern. So look how pretty that is. Again, all the way around that red, white, and blue Americana. And wait till you see the lid. Come on. Like, it's just so cute, isn't it? So this is that fun Americana red, white, and blue theme, which I think is actually perfect all year long. But I do love it in the summertime too. And why stoneware in the summertime? Because it's going to keep your cold things colder longer, which I think is pretty amazing. And I use things like this, these mugs in the summertime. Like if I'm serving a crowd, I'll put my ketchup and mustard in here, things like that, my condiments. And then what I'll do is when I bring it outside, just a little tip and something fun that you can do too, put the lid on it so that like no bugs get in it. Put the spoon on top of the lid, and then people take the spoon, take this off, right? Get their ketchup, their mustard, whatever it is. And I think Jody, he does have this, by the way. He loves, David Venable loves patriotic. And then you can put the lid back on, which is great. And it keeps all the bugs, all the flies, and it keeps it nice and cold for you. So when you're serving a crowd, we call this at Temp-tations magical transformation, that we take something like a mug, right? And now it can be something that you put your ketchup, your mustard in. Maybe potato salad if you're not serving a lot of people. I saw this really cute idea, and our food stylist did it once, where they put all the shrimp cocktail around the edge here, and then inside they put the cocktail sauce. So many cute things. And then you could put the tails right here. So so many great ideas. Let me know some ideas. How would you guys use this? Because a mug is great for coffee, tea, hot chocolate, soup, salad. We know all those things, but what are some creative ways to do it? I've seen people post pictures where they put flowers in here, like they wrap silverware, and they put maybe even their plastic silverware because they want that red, white, and blue feel outside. And no better way to do it than with patriotic. So check everything out though. And if you just joined in, you guys, just wanted to let you know that if you head on over to QVC, all Temptations is up to 20% off, but it ends end of day today. So definitely check that out. And then I wanted to show one other item to you. And this is an item that was available over on our website, which is called temp-tations.com. It's temp-tations.com. So this is a set of our 3 nesting bowls, and I wanted to show it to you because when you get it, when you take it out of the box, and it'll be in styrofoam and wrapped really securely because it's stoneware. This is what we do. Like, we make sure that even in the packaging, when you receive it, see how we put a layer in between each one? I know some of you actually save this for storage as well. But just wanted to show you, this is how it will arrive to you. When you open it up, you'll see the little cardboard inserts. Good morning, Diana and Shirley and Carolyn and Donna. Thank you for joining in. So these are our nesting prep bowls, and I love these because they nest all together. They're great for prepping. I love adding these into my charcuterie boards because, yeah, they're just kind of the perfect size. Let's see. So this one is 8 ounces. That's the smallest. And then the next one is 10. So it's 8, 10. This is probably 12. 16. Don't ever ask me. 16, 10, and 8. All right, so nice capacity. 16 is 2 cups. So love that. And then this is our white woodland, just talking about different patterns that we have. I know a lot of you love this. I don't know how we have any of these left, but these are available over at temp-tations.com. But if you're new, woodland is that beautiful wood grain pattern right there, where you can literally feel it on the outside, that beautiful wood grain pattern that just kind of dances all along the outside, and then a glass glaze that brings it to life. But still, all of these, oven safe to 500 degrees, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer safe. And maybe how you doing? Literally kind of save some of this stuff because it just protects your stoneware, and then when I go to store it, look at that. They don't rub against each other or anything like that, which I think is pretty cool. So let's see. What do we have going on the rest of the week? And let me know if you have any questions about summer shells, patriotic, or prep bowls. And these come in like flamingo, beach umbrella, like all the fun summer patterns too, available over at temp-tations.com. What do we have going on? In the Kitchen with David tonight. So come join us. We have our Store and More, which is on sale, and our tongs. And then let's see, we'll be back on again on Sunday in the Kitchen with David. So lots of fun stuff. Check out our giveaway tonight. You can guess where Tara and Ed are traveling around the world. Well, and we're going to do this a few times while they're gone. See if you can guess where they are. So I hope you all have a fantastic day. Is there any new woodland dinnerware coming in? Yes, there is. Lots you guys coming in for Temptations Days. Hey, Matthew, how you doing? So lots of stuff coming in. And if you guys missed our This Crazy Kitchen that we did Monday at 4 o'clock, check it out. It's over on QVC.com under the live stream. And we had so much fun. We did a summer fruit edition, and we did something called strawberry tacos. So Tara and I had like such a great time doing all that. But I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you tonight on QVC. And if you're looking for some amazing values, head on over to temp-tations.com. Check out this Tara's Must-Have, our prep bowls that come in woodland and other summer patterns. Woodland is in summer, but we have summer patterns as well. And then don't forget our Flip and Sip mugs, because I know these were getting super limited, you guys. These are available over at QVC. And just a reminder, all Temptations is up to 20% off over on QVC. The heat-resistant table runner, yes, Carol, we are working on getting that back in stock. All right, you guys, I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.